Guys, I got back my channel. Yes, I got back my channel. Big up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up Teradan. Big up Nick FSB. Big up Tef Entertainment. Big up JNL. Big up the G them. And big up everybody in the comment section who reach out and show support when the channel did gone. Now we back again. You understand? So you know say next gear I go turn up, you know, though. Yeah man, we gotta turn it up next gear now and just work and get that 100k. Yeah, security up here now. So yeah, ignore the intro to this reaction. Just do one thing for me. I'm gonna leave the new channel link in the description. Please just in the comment section. Please subscribe to that same way. Yes? Alright. Catch you guys in a bit.
Binds! I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. And today, guys, as you know, this is a new channel, guys. This is a new channel. The next one got hacked at 50k, but that's not gonna stop us. That is not gonna stop us. We're currently fighting Google, but the work must go on. So Joyner Lucas and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 have been going at it. All the videos has been posted on my old channel, which is 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 Gamer Reacts. But them teeth it. Pussy them teeth my channel. So we're here with JWG Reactions. Yes, please drop a sub to this if you're new. Joyner Lucas round 2 KO. Yes, towards KO. Make a jump in the one and see what I go. Let's go. Joyner Lucas. Yes, round 2 KO. Let's go. Lucas, let's go. Alright then. UK versus the US. Bumbuckler Blacks. Wait them away. Look at the boxing glove. You got the British flag, the Union Jack flag with the USA flag boxing glove. USA knock the fuck out of the UK. USA blood is USA has blood dripping from the glove. Look at the British glove. There's no blood on it. So him tell us round 2. Him take the 2 round them. That's what he's telling you. Alright then. You fucked up now.
Let me teach you how to terminate niggas on sight, little bitch. You would never be a G level.
Let me teach you how to terminate niggas on sight, pussy. Let me tell you this. You will never be my level. None of them on the level.
How to terminate niggas on sight, little bitch. You would never be a G level. I don't care where you from or where you grew up. You would still get slapped with a tea kettle.
Yo. Me not care where you come from, pussy. I don't care where you're from, where you're going, where you've been. This is where you at now. And me gonna flag your pussy. You will still get gunshot. You will still get flagged with a tea kettle.
Bitch, you would never be a G level. I don't care where you from or where you grew up. You would still get slapped with a tea kettle. You ain't smoking on shit. You ain't never been lit. I turn big smoke to a weed pebble. Stop talking about.
I will turn Big Smoke to a weed pebble. You know 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 call himself Big Smoke. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂 is Big Smoke, yeah? Him say, listen, me return it now a weed pebble, weed seed, spliff tail pussy, spliff tail, suck your Hey, let's go.
With a tea kettle. You ain't smoking on shit, you ain't never been lit. I turn big smoke to a weed pebble. Stop talking about hits and that platinum shit, little hoe. You barely win sheet metal.
Stop talking about all your accolades, all your this, all your that. Pussy, you barely won sheet metal. You barely won zinc. You barely even get a sheet of zinc, brother. That is what he's saying, not me.
Big smoke to a weed pebble. Stop talking about hits and that platinum shit, little hoe. You barely win sheet metal. Let's talk about how you got ran for your chain. It was curled on the floor like a leaf petal.
Them rob you? 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, them rob you? That's what Joyner Lucas said, not me. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, did they rob you for your chain, bro? In a 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 last song, he said Joyner need to start speaking some facts. So is this a fact?
Oh, you barely win sheet metal. Let's talk about how you got ran for your chain. It was curled on the floor like a leaf petal. Let's talk about how you never grew up that hard and your mom always pushed you to be better.
Let's talk about it, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Him say you grew up in a good school, you good community, good neighborhood. Yes, you never shot off nothing. So stop acting. You're just following friends. Friends are gonna get your head bust out. Yes, that is what Joyner is saying, my bro. That is what he's saying. He said you didn't grow up rough like Scotch Brite. You grow up soft like a sponge. That is what he's saying, not me. Guys, drop us up. This is my new channel. YouTube and Google taking away the other one, please.
On the floor like a leaf pedal. Let's talk about how you never grew up that hard and your mom always pushed you to be better. Let's talk about how your career fell off and the shit went straight through the meat shredder. I'm mad that I ever heard your music at all. If I didn't, I'd probably even sleep better. Hey.
Your man say me never hear your music at all. Your man say you're not going nowhere. Your man say your music never begin at the States. Like, if me ever hear it, I probably would even sleep better. Like, what one? Like, what one?
Straight through the meat shredder. I'm mad that I ever heard your music at all. If I didn't, I'd probably even sleep better. Hey, fuck this nigga, I'ma spray with it. Put a Glock 19 to his face with it. Always knew you was a bitch, you was raised with it. Now I know why your daddy okay with it.
Always know you was a bitch. You was raised with it. So what he's saying? Is the Colin Skepta mom here a bitch? What's going on? What's going on? Your daddy was okay. Wow, wait, no, man. Wait.
Did I ever heard your music at all? If I didn't, I'd probably even sleep better. Hey, fuck this nigga, I'ma spray with it. Put a Glock 19 to his face with it. Always knew you was a bitch, you was raised with it. Now I know why your daddy okay with it. I should take your flag and burn that shit. Give it back, then put you in a grave with it.
I should take your flag and burn that shit and put you in a one grave with it. That's disrespectful. That's disrespectful to the British flag, bro. Like that's you don't burn no one's flag, bro. You don't burn flags. That is the height of disrespect on the whole nation. He's not just dissing Skepta here. He's dissing the whole fucking the whole of England.
Know why your daddy okay with it. I should take your flag and burn that shit. Give it back, then put you in a grave with it. How you gonna steal ASAP Rocky swag and fuck it all up and go gay with it?
How you Steve ASAP Rocky swag, Skepta? And the fuck it all up, now you're gone gay with it. Hey? How you do all of that shit? Why you do that? Hey? Don't do that.
Back then put you in a grave with it. How you gonna steal ASAP Rocky swag and fuck it all up and go gay with it? You started it. I ain't ducking no smoke, want all of it.
You started it, nigga. You started it with friendly fire. Me not duck no smoke. More all light. Give me all when me a cough. Me ready. Let's
fuck
go.
it all up and go gay with it.
Hey.
You started it. I ain't ducking no smoke, want all of it. Wanna steal my culture and talk your shit cause you mad that you can't be a part of it.
You wanna steal my culture and talk your shit because you're mad cause you can't be a part of it. Skepta, I think Skepta is a proud British, like a proud Englishman. Skepta, I don't think Skepta have a problem with the culture. Skepta is a pro. I don't think he want to be American.
All of it. Wanna steal my culture and talk your shit cause you mad that you can't be a part of it. You don't get no play, we ain't bumping it. Flex ain't never dropping no bombing it. You got the worst songs that I ever heard in my life. I don't even want to hear niggas humming it.
You got the worst song Joyner Lucas ever heard in his life. He never even want to hear nobody humming it. No, none of that shit. Don't hum it around here. Move! That is what Joyner is saying. I'm not mean, Skepta, not mean.
Ain't never dropping no bombing it. You got the worst songs that I ever heard in my life. I don't even want to hear niggas humming it. You bringing up Tori, I'm loving it. They forgot my Liddy went done with it. Me and Tori.
You're bringing up Tori? You're bringing up Tori? Because in our round 2, Skepta round 2, he said Tori fucking finished Lucas. Finish him.
Hear niggas humming it. Oh, you bringing up Tori, I'm loving it. They forgot my Liddy went done with it. Me and Tori ain't never had smoke. That was really my nigga. We were just having fun with it.
So him and Tori would never had smoke. Big up Tori. Him and Tori never had smoke. They were just having fun with it, bro. Like,
got my Liddy went done with it. Me and Tori ain't never had smoke. That was really my nigga. We were just having fun with it. From the black Eminem, that's a compliment. I'ma wear that badge, I'ma honor it.
To be compared with Eminem, he said that's a compliment, bro. He said that's a compliment. Like, literally, like, I'm gonna wear that badge with honor. Like, I don't mind being compared to Eminem, the great.
Nigga, we were just having fun with it. From the black Eminem, that's a compliment. I'ma wear that badge, I'ma honor it. That nigga sold like 220 million records, and I bet you'd have bought a whole lot of them. Niggas.
Man, so you sold 220 million records, but you buy a lot of them. Facts. So him says, Skepta out here buy more records. Skepta, are you buying your own record, bro? Guys, please do remember to drop a sub on the channel. I lost my channel at 50K and I'm pissed off. So please get me back up. Please, please, please.
That badge, I'ma honor it. That nigga sold like 220 million records and I bet you'd have bought a whole lot of them. Niggas mad at me cause it bothered them. Guess mama never told him she was proud of him. Even niggas like...
You say you're mad. Skepta, he said you're mad because your mother never tell you say she's proud of you. Oh my God.
A lot of them. Niggas mad at me cause it bothered them. Guess mama never told him she was proud of him. Even niggas like Giggs really hate your shit. He a real OG, there's a lot of them. You be dick ride niggas in...
Even Giggs, him say Giggs ate your shit. Giggs, him say Him say gigs here. Ah!
Even niggas like Gigs really hate your shit. He a real OG, there's a lot of them. You be pit ride niggas and you fine with it. You got a little cosign and you proud of it. And you'll do anything just to get a little over your chain, even swallow it.
Him say you get a little cosign, Skepta. He say you get a little cosign and then it just get to your head. You will do anything if you get over your chain. That's from Jake. You're not getting no chain. That is what he's saying.
Cosign and you proud of it. And you'll do anything just to get a little over your chain, even swallow it. A whole big smoke.
They will swallow it, innit?
Better call the pole and bring the police with him. Bring enough heat to cook up a beef with him. Wet a nigga up and bringing the beats with him. The bullet gets stuck, you feeling it deep in him. Pussy ass nigga, I'm making a yeast with him. A wagyu steak, I cut up a piece with him. Floss on a nigga, I'm picking my teeth with him. Call for the nigga.
Ooh-wee.
Beef with him, wet a nigga up and bringing the beats with him. The bullet gets stuck, you feeling it deep in him. Pussy ass nigga, I'm making a yeast with him. A wagyu steak, I cut up a piece with him. Floss on a nigga, I'm picking my teeth with him. Call for the nigga, and make a disease hit him. Walk on a nigga, and taking no leash with him. Lock a nigga out, I'm leaving his teeth with him. Lock a nigga down and bury the keys with him. Fake ass niggas, they really don't need venom. I'm skinning them alive and making a feast with him. Nigga need help, we bringing the streets with him. Give a nigga hell, I'm bringing a priest with him. I'ma send him to hell and up at the devil and tell him that I'm a demon who broke a piece of that heaven and fell in, bitch. I'm a predicate felon, I put a shell in your melon and everything I ever set up on a record, I'm in it. About we talk about how many fucking records you selling, cause even back up in your country, they don't check up and listen. You only sold a couple thousand in a bet in the 7. They only sell it at the counter at the 7-Eleven. And when I finish with you, I bet they would never.
No, skip that. You having that, bro? The man say record them only sell at the 7-Eleven, the corner store, Bossman shop. That's where your records sell. You having that shit, bro? No, man, no.
And you only sold a couple thousand in a bet in the 7. They only sell it at the counter at the 7-Eleven. And when I finish with you, I bet they would never forget it. There ain't a single motherfucker who can sever this weapon. I hate your accent and everything you said in the record. I need subtitles to get it. I'm checking the spelling. I promise.
Man, so me hate your accent and everything you said in the record. I need subtitles. I've always been telling them to put subtitles on the fucking track. Them.
Motherfucker who can sever this weapon. I hate your accent and everything you said in the record. I need subtitles to get it. I'm checking the spelling. I promise you that Drizzy only one I ever would mention you being a legend. Nobody would agree with he said. And I promise you it's gonna hunt you when you sleep in your bed. And I promise you that when it's over, I'ma leave an impression. And yeah, I hope you know the pressure's on when I drop this shit. Cause you really on the clock, boy. I'ma write a perspective song from a UK nigga who think he a top boy.
I'm gonna write a perspective song from a UK nigga who think he's a top boy. Fuck Jonas.
Cause you really on the clock, boy. I'ma write a perspective song from a UK nigga who think he a top boy. Since you wanna talk about influence, let's talk about the female clothes you rock, boy. I seen you in an interview dressed like a bitch. I guess you really a top boy.
Oh, no. Wait, let me research that bumbleclot there. Aye. Let me research that bumbleclot there. Him says Skepta wear female's clothes. Skepta in hold on, man, female clothes. Hold on, me see me find nothing. Hold on. Wait. Him says Skepta wear female clothes. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. What's going on, Skep? Skep. How are you going, as a brother? Skep, how are you going? The man say wear female clothes and it, Jesus Christ. Da da dee. Da da dee. Da da dee.
I catch him outside of the Perkins store, the Victoria's Secret shop, boy. Take all your shit, then give it to my bitch. She'll love that drip you got, boy. Put the UKU.
Man, so I'm gonna take all your shit. Him catch you lacking outside the store and I'm gonna take all your shit and give it to him, girl. Give it to him, bitch. And she gonna love this swag because I be a female clothes you're buying.
Wet shit to the side, this is me against you, little pop, boy. Clean up on out Perkins store, the Victoria's Secret shop, boy. Take all your shit, then give it to my bitch. She'll love that drip you got, boy. Put the UKUS shit to the side, this is me against you, little pop, boy. Clean
Man said put the UK and US shit to the side. I don't give a fuck. It's me versus you right now. Fuck the UK and the US shit. It's me versus you and I'm gonna bust your face. That is what he's saying. Not me.
That drip you got, boy. Put the UKUS shit to the side. This is me against you, little pop, boy. Clean up on L6, I don't wipe this bitch. Somebody come bring me a mop, boy. I turn Joseph to a crime scene. Why the Fuck a nigga thinking he could try me. How you do your nigga wildly dirty, then turn your back on a UK grime scene?
Or you do your nigga wildly dirty and then turn your back to the ground.
You a fake ass hoe, you slimy. You irrelevant bitch, you behind me. I don't even understand how you still got fans. I ain't heard your name since the 90s.
Ha!
I'm a hybrid nigga with a high beam. Turn a UK nigga to a line beam. Just around 2KO, you ain't getting up. Better call the ER to revive him. After this, I bet you wanna fight me. That's the reason why niggas don't like me. Thought you was that nigga when you talk your shit. Now you sitting back wondering why me.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh, gosh. That was a monster of a track. He fucked it up. My God. My God! What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Who's leading? This is the end of round 2 now. Who's leading? Skepta, your time. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please, guys, remember to drop a sub. I lost my channel at 50K. We're trying to get back up there. Please drop a sub. This is a new channel I built, JWG Reactions. So please get me back up there, guys. I will really appreciate it. All right? I'm still trying to fight with Google to get my account back, but until then, this is where we are. So please, I'm begging you, drop a sub. I'm begging you. All right? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.